I am architect Brij Panjwani from Panjwani Architects. The peculiar part about this project is that it was existing unfinished apartment building, which was asked by us for the client to do a retrofitting project, and as a challenge, could it be converted into a hotel. The cost involved from a structural perspective was the retrofit that we did, was the changes that we brought to the existing structure. So we tried to minimize that too by not demolishing too much, only adding up or just creating some larger openings. So the cost overrun was not there. And then we started working on it, and also in the background we had in our mind that we should not be going overboard with the expenses because already a building was existing. So we took steps and measures that we worked around those solutions that were available to us so that the cost does not increase. So, and the timeline, yes, the deviation in timeline did happen because of those search for solutions, I would say, not for implementing them, but for search of those solutions. We had to sometimes refer to other people, outside agencies. We even had combined meetings with vendors. But because it was a building which was modified to a certain different extent, we had to be very vigilant that nothing goes wrong or no compromises are taken because for the development of the building into a hotel project. So those things we managed to do. There was coordination between all the teams happening, and this was happening every day because there was design decisions to be taken, there were material choices to be done, there was cost also to be watched, there was the procurement time or the lead time for the material that to be coming, then expertise required for implementing those projects at site. So all this was happening at various stages with various products. So there was a linear, horizontal, it was a mesh actually. So we were working within that mesh because we were 4 people into the design process and the implementation process, so it was easier for us. We had sort of responsibilities distributed amongst ourselves and looking at how the project will go with coordination, and there should be no clashes. We had systems we already have systems in place for communication within the office because the server systems are there, the information is correlated. So all this was happening, and everybody, there was a red flag if it was something was not matching up with the details given. So from being apartment building with 1 and 2 bedroom units and set with living room, kitchen, toilets and all that, converting into a 75 key hotel having 3 suites also incorporated within that is one achievement with a banquet hall which is the biggest till date in Haridwar, and high ceilings, totally air conditioned, and very nice ambience once you are using the premises. And the maintenance team will also, the housekeeping team will also not have much to do because we have taken care of all those issues that normally such buildings have to face. So we are happy doing this project. We have loved doing it, learned from it, taught a few people to do things differently, and so we are very enthusiastic that such challenges we are being able to face, which brings us as well as Panjwani Architects forward on the forefront of the architectural scene. Thank you.